This program is an online shopping cart. It asks to enter 3 products including the name, product quantity, and unit price. After that, it multiplies the quantity and price to get the cost of each item. Then, it adds all the item cost to get the total. And lastly, to print the cart summary, showing each product and the final total amount. Apple, product name, third product name is each 3, and the price is 20. Then this is the cart summary, the quantity, product name, and the unit price, and this is the total